In this video, I'll show you how we can connect Google AI Studio to GitHub. So it's really simple. And the first step is once you are in Google AI Studio, you want to click on Build, then Your Apps, and you need to choose your app which you want to connect to your GitHub. So let's say this one. And the next step is in top right corner, click on this GitHub icon, Save to GitHub. And then from here, you just need to sign in through your GitHub account. So I'm going to click on Sign In. Once you are signed, you need to install and authorize Google AI Studio. You can choose also repositories, so you can choose all repositories or select specific ones. Then you need to click on Install and Authorize. And this will connect Google AI Studio to GitHub. And from here, you can create a new repository. So you can type your name, your description. You can also choose visibility, so you can choose private or public, and then just click on Create Git Repo. We are creating your repository. Then you need to click Stage and commit all changes. This will upload your project on GitHub. So now if you click on this text, this should redirect you to your GitHub repository. And as you can see, it's successfully connected. So this is my project from Google AI Studio. And this is how you can connect Google AI Studio to GitHub. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.